Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, I'm going to discuss with you how to apply conditional formatting on your data. So stay tuned and watch till the end. I made a very simple example of the sales data. It is for marquee 1, 2, 3 and 4. For example, if I want to see which markets were able to make more than 20,000 sale, then I would apply the conditional formatting. First, I will select the whole data where I want to apply the conditional formatting. Then on top, you can see the format tab. Click on format tab and the options will display. There is a conditional formatting option, third last option. If you click on the conditional formatting option, and there will be a dialog box on the right hand side. So it first is showing apply to range. It has been applied to the range which we selected. Now it is asking you the format rules. What do you want to apply? For example, I want to see the cells which has numbers more than 20,000, so I will use the function greater than. So scroll down and find where is the greater than function. There you go, this is the greater than function. Click on this one and then enter your value. I enter the value 20,000. So now by default it's a green color. You can change any color which you want. So if you click on the side, it will show you the different color. If you want to show the blue, it will show blue, and if you want to show any other color, it will show any other color. So if you press done, so now you can see all the figures, all the numerics which are more than 20,000, all those cells have been highlighted. So this is how you apply the conditional formatting. So again, if you want to remove this formatting, so select the data and then go to the format tab, and there is option clear formatting. If you click on this one, all the formatting on this data have been removed now. So if I want to apply some other formatting again, so what I will do, I will select the data again and then go to format tab, and then I will click the conditional formatting, and then dialog box will appear. So this time I change my criteria. So if I want to see some other criteria, then for example, if I want to see the less than value which are less than 15,000, so if I select this option, and then this will take me to this option. So I will enter 15,000, and if I press done, so it will show all the cells which has a value less than 15,000 have been highlighted. So this is how you apply the conditional formatting on your data, and I will show you how to clear the formatting on the existing data as well. So hit the like button if you like this video, and make sure to subscribe my channel if you want to watch more tips and tricks. So I'll see you guys in the next video.